Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a very healthy looking chart. Sure, there was a pullback, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Wednesday that I did, but I talked about this 295 mark as an area that you would ideally want to see act as support, and check it out. Price pulled back and did a fantastic job of holding strong as support. So 295, like I said, was that area that you would ideally want to see act as support, and it did indeed act as support today. So good to see that. And not only did it hold as support, it actually served as a trampoline too and got, a nice little bounce in the upwards direction. So moving forward, continue to watch 295 as that support area. And then from the overarching standpoint, again, as I've talked about in past videos, but we'll continue to talk about because it's still very relevant, is that 50 period moving average there. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, and even eventually above the green line there. So point here being that from the broad scope of things, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 295 right now would be best case scenario, but from the broad scope of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, nothing new here to report. Talked about this red line, here in past videos, up at 320, and that's still, going to be that main battleground. It's looking like it's getting within striking distance. Now, that doesn't mean that a breakout's going to for sure happen, but I mean, is it irrational? Is it, non-logical to think that a breakout could happen? No, not at all. So keep an eye on 320 moving forward, as it looks like it may be coming into play on Friday. But all in all, the uptrend continues, higher highs, higher lows, and that's by far what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.